Jude Ekwunife Ozonkpu Jude has been applauded for his exceptional community service. This came to the fore during the inauguration of projects built by Jude Ekwunife to mark his birthday. Daniel Opai reports.
One of the finest of Enugu Ukwu Kingdom, a kind and humble man, a philanthropist like no other can best describe Ozonkpu Jude Ekwunife, Okwatuegwu. On his birthday, he feels it's right to build a 2-kilometer road and a bus stand in Enugu Ukwu as part of his desire to give back to the society. Inauguration of the projects was performed by the Mayor Njikoka local government area, the traditional ruler of Enugu Ukwu, His Royal Majesty Ralph Obumneme Ekpe, Eze Enugu Ukwu N'Igwe, and other illustrious sons of the community.
The mayor. Chairman,
because we are by this way, we are produced to a reasonable extent the responsibility of our state government in Nigeria by extension. All then upon all the stakeholders, he is not the only one in Enugu Ukwu. I know very well that in the Enugu Ukwu for them have done something similar like this. Many of them. But we are encouraging other people to come.
The Mayor Njikoka said these projects align with the Governor Soludo's determination to ensure partnering individuals in development of the state.
So this project is not just a small one, it's a very massive one, and we applaud it so much. It is going to impact so much because if you look at the road, it is very sound, and it has eased movement of all the people around this place.
Attracted much development. Enugu Ukwu is becoming a city within the cities of Oka. What you can see is the effort of the good citizens, men of good wills. Ozonkpu Jude Ekwunife Okwatuegwu Enugu Ukwu have done his own part.
The benefactor, Ozonkpu Jude Ekwunife, this is just one of the ways of appreciating God for keeping him in good health and for his blessings upon his life.
We do this because I felt that the community has been so good to me all my life, all my years, both growing up and the stage where I am now. The society, the community, the members of the communities have been of immense assistance to me.
Guests at the occasions were treated to sumptuous delicacies from Enugu Ukwu in Njikoka local government area. Daniel Opai, NTA News.